President Donald Trump makes what he calls a very exciting announcement from the Oval Office, the F-47 fighter jet, 6th generation. The president calls it a beautiful number, and now Boeing will build the Air Force's future fighter jet. President Trump says that it has been in the works for a long period of time. Also a topic of discussion, Elon Musk's visit to the Pentagon. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports.
Good evening. We'll start with the F-47. It's called Next Generation Air Dominance. Now, President Donald Trump did not reveal a price tag, but it's being developed with China in mind.
The F-47 pictured behind him, President Donald Trump tells reporters in the Oval Office,
the F-47 will be the most advanced, most capable, most lethal aircraft ever built.
The president says the F-47 is equipped with state-of-the-art stealth technology and is virtually unseeable.
Nothing in the world comes even close to it. This plane flies with drones. It flies with many, many drones, as many as you want, and it's a technology that's new.
Also in the room, Secretary of Defense Pete Hegseth and 2 Air Force generals.
Now we have the F-47, which sends a very direct, clear message to our allies that we're not going anywhere, and to our enemies that we will be able to project power around the globe unimpeded for generations to come.
We believe that this provides more lethality, it provides more capability, more modernized capability in a way that is built to adapt.
Meanwhile, Elon Musk visiting the Pentagon today. President Trump said Musk was there to discuss reducing costs, which he's been working on through the Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE. And while introducing the new fighter jet, Trump shot down news reports that the SpaceX and Tesla owner would be briefed on how the United States would fight a hypothetical war with China.
Nobody believed that story. People that, when I first called, they laughed when they heard this story. Nobody believed it, that the Pentagon was giving him a briefing on what war with China would look like, and he has business. No, they made that up because it's a good story to make up. They're very dishonest people.
Now back to the F-47. President Trump said an experimental version of the aircraft has been flying secretly for about the last 5 years, adding that it has unprecedented power and that no other nation in the world can compete with it. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.